Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to do a little nice purpley makeup and talk. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation like usually. Like my makeup is really fixed. Like I have like two or three products. I just wanted to share this tale of stupid dumbass people of the internet who think they are in love after seeing a girl's profile picture. Unfortunately, I had encountered such morons in my company's group. It's so embarrassing. These people are like fungus, they're everywhere, every fucking where. You cannot run away from these stupid idiots. I'm using this concealer from Inside Pro Color Concealer, High Definition Concealer in the shade. What is this shade? Sun Beige. I was new to this group and I joined that group, and they had a rule like you should not be posting or spamming with any unnecessary things or you'll just some people actually spammed the group, and there were these goody old pants of the group, and they were like, oh, you're not supposed to spam, oh, you're not supposed to spam, and then continue to spam for another 10 minutes. So I got really mad at these people, so I told them like, you are doing the same thing, let the HR handle what they want to do. Why are you spamming the group unnecessarily? Like, this is so stupid. And that was the first conversation I ever had on that group. Fortunately and unfortunately, it attracted few of those stupid morons of the internet. So I'm going to set my concealer with Fit Me Loose Foundation in the shade medium beige. There you go. I think pretty much everyone knows about this by now. The first guy even tried to call me, I don't know for what reason, and he goes like, sorry, my intention was not to spam the group and everything. So I thought of like going back and checking it again if they are the same people. Like this person was not even spamming the group, so I don't know why this person was like coming me, and I was confused. Like I should have got the cue that time. I should have understood that this person just is going to waste my time. Nothing like that. I tell him that it wasn't for someone else. I was just telling the people who were spamming. That's it. That's nothing else. And he goes like, sorry, I can't get you. So I'm like, never mind. I just end the conversation right in there and there. So he continues asking me that, did you get any information about joining? So I say, no, not really. I don't know. The HR did not post anything, so I don't know about it. So I tell him, no, not really. So he's like, you're from where? And I'm like, I'm from Mumbai. And he's like, good. You looking very hot. Like this at this point I should have just blocked this person. But so I thought this person would stop talking at some point, but this just goes on and on and on. I say thank you and just try to end the conversation, and he's like, do you have a boyfriend? I know where this is going. I know. So I'm like, yeah, I have a boyfriend, so what about it? So he's like, can I be your boyfriend? I just could not hold it together anymore. I'm like, dude, why are you so creepy? What the fuck? And he's like, I just asking. I liked you. That's the reason for asking. If not interested, leave it. And then I say, yes, please do the favor to me and please do the needful and leave me. Like, leave, please go, get some help, please go. And he does not stop there. I thought this would be like he would have some dignity in himself, like his male ego would like come crashing, but no, he does not leave. The next thing you won't even imagine. Okay, I tell him, please leave, okay, and he's like, are you not interested? You guys tell me, like, which part of the conversation looked like made him think that I'm interested in this person. Please tell me so I can avoid it next time. At this point, I am like, oh my fucking god, I don't care if he works in the same company as mine. I'm just going to beat the shit out of him if I meet him in the person, okay? So I tell him that which part of the conversation looks interesting to you? Like, which one? Which one? Tell me. So he's like, for me also, it is not understanding what I'm talking. I've gone mad when I seen your picture, seen your image. These are the same dude who will get rejected by girls because of their creepy behavior. After they get rejected, they're gonna go on the social media, remove their DP, go on private mode, take out the status, and then put on the status and be like, oh, loneliness lies within me. One-sided love hurts. I hate that I always thinking about you. I have a crush on someone. does not love me back, then turn into Kabir Singh. Yeah, I said it. Don't be me, okay? Don't be me. Whenever you see such people, just stop talking right there and there. Like, stop it, stop there. And this person literally, I got mad seeing your picture and all everything. And I am like, dude, why? Literally, I told you I have a BF. Why I would be interested in you? I told you to leave. He's like, I don't know, I'm curious about you, and I appreciate that you would maintain the business relationships and not talk shit, or else I'm going to report you to the company. I tell him straight away, and he's like, I am not from this company. Like, he's not from my company. Like, dude, who are you fooling? You are from the same group. He's like, I'm from the XYZ. Like, even if you change your company, me reporting you over there won't change anything, okay? You would just get dismissed from your job. Like, do you not understand the consequences or what? Even after, he's like, I asked you that you like me or not. If you're not interested, just leave. Like, shut the fuck up. I did not even reach you. It did not even approach you that you are telling me to leave, you stupid moron. I told you to leave in the first place. What kind of a clown are you? And he's like, okay, bye. Oh my great goodness. I cannot. What in the world is wrong with men? I hate it here. At the same time, I get pinged by another person. I think they have a common group or something. Like, we are going to harass people. We are going to harass this chick today. We are going to harass this girl today. We are going to harass this woman today. So this next person, I have literally nothing. I have just this one screenshot. I'll narrate you the story behind this. So I'm going to use apricot pie all over my crease. So this guy goes like, where are you from? And I say Mumbai and just leave. And then again he goes by like, oh, what are you doing? Are you studying or are you working? Like, you stupid moron. You're in the same group as mine. You find my number over there and you come and text me and ask me if I'm in the college or if I'm working. Like, doesn't make sense. Like, it does not make any sense. Like, who even recruited you? Who recruited you? You lack common sense. Who recruited you? How do you even have a job in the first place? Like, how? I literally can't. I cannot just like I cannot. And out of all the people, he had a little bit of dignity and I crashed his merry-go. So this person goes like, "Itna kya bhao kha rahi hai?" And I'm like, just shut up, dude, and just get lost. I don't give 2 cents about it. Still cool and calm and talking to this person. I don't know why, but I'm still telling him like, just shut the fuck up. You're in the same company. So I'm maintaining the dignity. So do you. Okay. Still goes on like, oh, itna kya bhao kha rahi hai? Chal nikal. And I'm like, just shut up, dude. I didn't even approach you in the first place. It was you. And he still goes on like, chal nikal, and I am at my breaking point. My patience is in hell bottom. Okay, I cannot tolerate. Like, I'm going to outburst right now. And I don't take any shit from people like these. Like, shut up. Like, who the fuck are you to tell me? I tell him this simple. Chup kar, DK boss. If you know, you know. This was his last sentence. Like, literally translates to like, has no one fucked you yet or what? Like, I don't know. How do your brain function? Like, I literally don't get it. Like, me not being interested in you or I don't want to talk to you, how does that correlate to me being fucked or not? How? Please. I don't know how does that even get any close. Oh, by the way, I'm using the shade Green Turner. I messaged my friend who is in the same company as him, like we are good buddies and we cheat together in exam too. So I message him and I tell him that this happened and I have a plan. So he's like, okay, tell me what's up. So I tell him that send the screenshot to him and he tell him that I have the screenshot and I'm going to report the officials if he does not apologize to me. So he goes on like, oh, I did not do this and it was not my fault even and it was your friend who abused me. These people erased all the chats. Like, these people know what they are doing. They are aware like this is wrong. this should not be done. But still they go on, they keep doing this. Like, I don't understand why. You know it's wrong. You are deleting the chat because you don't want anyone else to find it out. You don't want me to report you to other people. You know it's wrong, and yet you are here and doing this stupidity, this foolery on internet. Like, please get a life. Friend is like, oh my god, I'm having so much fun, and I'm like, yes, me too. I swear to god, if any guy mentions of a bitch who did something like this to me, it's me, guys. It's me. And then we stop, but these people do not stop. I get another message again. Oh god. Like, this is the standard package, okay? Like, you see this, like, it's literally everywhere, every fucking where. Hi Sumayata, where are you from? How are you doing today? Do you want some tea? Do you want some coffee? You're looking hot. Do you want some action? Like, not even my friends call me Sumayata. Like, these people call me Sumayata. Literally no one calls me Sumayata, actually. It's the starter package again. You see that? Hi Sumayata, you're from? Good, looking very hot and everything. By the way, you look hot. You look so hot. And the narcissist bitch that I am. Then he goes on like, can we be friends? And I'm like, I barely know you, so why should I be friends with you? Like, for what reason? So he's like, same from my side, but I approach. तो क्या मैं आरती तारू? So he goes on like, यार speechless कर दी, like you made me speechless, लगता है अब chance ही नहीं है, like I don't stand any chance. So I'm like, yeah, whatever, I don't care. And I'm like, yeah, whatever. So he's like, why so stone hearted यार, BF है या breakup हुआ है? I don't get this. Like, if a girl does not want to talk with someone, how does that be related to like if she has a boyfriend or not, or if she's going through a breakup or not? It's the girl's choice. She does not want to talk to you. She does not want anything from you. So why do you keep on pestering her? She might be into girls for all you know. Like, any of you guys are watching this right now, stop being like this. You're just creepy and you're just creeping the girl out. Like, stop behaving this way. You're not helping anything. Like, no, not at all. Even if you want to be just friends, just if she does not want to be your friend, just leave. Okay. Oh, by the way, I was using my Makeup Revolution etc. eyeshadow palette. I forgot to mention it. Mascara that I'm using is Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Mascara. And if you are a guy and you don't do all sort of these kind of things, then it's good for you. But still, if you don't stop your colleague or your friend or your teammate or anyone whosoever from doing all this stuff, then you are just equally bad. Okay, you are no good. Some girls talking like,
oh, you got some 2-3 people, strangers texting you, so what, you are thinking you are the center of attraction?
well, yes, I'm center of attraction, but no, I don't deserve anything to be harassed like this. No one deserves that. Okay, it gets even worse than this. Like, literally, trust me, I have a friend who's being harassed like this on text messages by a particular person. So I don't want to talk about that. I'm using this lip liner from Miss Claire's in the shade Sandy Mauve L14. I'm using this lipstick from Nykaa. It's in the shade Caramel Mocha 21M. I'm not going to put any eyeliner. I think this look will go very good with a false eyelashes, which I don't have right now, but I don't want to spoil this look with an eyeliner, and I think it looks good like this. Like, if I don't want to talk to you, it's because I do not want to talk to you. It's not because that I'm a virgin. It's not because that I have a boyfriend. It's not because that I'm going through breakup issues, okay? It's nothing like that. I just don't want to talk to your ugly ass. That's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Click the like button if you did, and click the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed yet. I'll see you until next week, and bye bye.